Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Times 2. Today I'm going to be doing my perm rod routine and the products I'm going to be using. So usually I don't use gel, but today I think I'm going to use gel because I think the weather's going to be a little iffy tomorrow. So today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try this curling cream. I've never used it before on my hair, so we'll see how it goes. And then I'm going to use my regular leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use some water. And then I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel. And then I'll use this brush and then my clips. So I usually start this on stretched hair. So my hair's been in a bun for the past couple days, so it's pretty stretched. It's a hot mess right now, guys. It's been a long week. It's a mess. So I'm going to start in the back. Oh, before I forget, these are the perm rods I use. So this is the size. I think it's like the medium-sized one. Okay, so I usually start in the back. Just a small section. About that thick. Put the rest of my hair up. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of water to detangle it, so it'll be a little easier to detangle, but not too much because I don't want to drench my hair. I want it to still stay stretched, but I just want it to be a little easier to detangle. So just take my brush. Detangle it. See, it still stayed stretched, which is what I want. Then I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, like that much. Prayer hand method. Just rub it straight through. And then I'm going to add this curl cream. I hope it works well because y'all know me. I'll use my Cream of Nature curl cream, but I'll try this one. Same method, just run it through. And then I'll add a little bit of gel, not too much because I don't want it to be super defined curls. With my perm rod set, I like more of a poofy kind of look, but still have defined curls. I don't know how to explain it. So just take a little bit of gel. That's actually a lot. And then just rub it through. And then I'm gonna take my brush again, comb through it, take my perm rod. So for this, I'm just gonna pull my hair down, like straighten it down, and take it and place it. Try and get a little closer for this, guys. Place it on the edge, like right here, and then I'll roll it up, maybe twice, and then I'll just spin it around until it gets closer to the top, and then roll it and bring it around and clip it, and it should just stay. So I'll do it a couple more times to show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm getting closer to the front and I just wanted to show you how I arranged my perm rods in the front. So I like when my hair falls in my face when I do a perm rod set, so I don't really use a part of any sort. So basically I just take these two corner ones and I just face them that way so that they fall to the side of my face, and then I kind of just do like 3 parts in the front and then do them facing forward. So it kind of goes like this. So just part it in half from the rest of my hair right here. I do try to not part my hair like straight down the middle, because then it'll fall like a middle part. So I try to just kind of like do like a kind of side part action on both sides, so it's like I'll have a chunk in the middle and not just a, you know, middle part type deal. So for like the second row in the front, I do pretty much the same thing. Kind of just place them between the ones I already did in the front. So like this one I'd do, so angled it between these two so that it would fall that way. And then in the front, you just do the same thing, just kind of angle it in between the gaps so that your hair falls kind of evenly on the sides. But this is just my preference, guys, so you guys can do it however you like. If you do a part, I may do a tutorial on how I would do a side part one or a middle part perm rod set. I've never really done them any other way than to have it fall in my face, but it'd be interesting to see how it turns out. Okay guys, so this is my finished product. Just give you a spin here. So that's how it looks. So now I'm just gonna throw a bonnet over it, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna show you guys my takedown and the results. So hopefully they came out well, because I don't know what I'll do to my hair afterwards. Good morning, guys. So I slept on my perm rod set, and it feels completely dry. So I didn't really drench it, so it should be dry, but my hair sometimes take a really long time to dry. But it's all the way dry, so that's good. So now I'm just going to take them down. I don't usually put oil in my hair. I'm not really an oil person, so I'm just gonna take them down. Okay, that's all of them. So next, I'm just gonna I started the back and then just take one and then split it in the middle. And then just keep doing that process until I've split all of them. And try not to like rake your hands through it, so you don't want to kind of break the definition of the curve. So just, you know, gently pull it apart. once you feel like you've separated them all twice, then you just go around separating it to kind of fill in your caps. So just your personal preference, how you want your hair. This is too defined for me, and I like more of that poof, like I said earlier. So I usually go through and then break up my halves into halves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff my hair. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray my Style Stay Frizz Free Finisher by Cantu. I love this thing when I'm doing my perm rod sets, or sometimes if my hair didn't completely dry for my twist outs, I'll spray this on there and it'll stay, it won't poof up or anything. So I'm gonna spray some of this. It's really strong, so I try not to spray a lot, but it don't really work sometimes, y'all. It smells really good though, but it's strong. And that is it. That's all I do for my perm rod sets. Like I said, I like it when it falls in my face. I use the medium-sized ones, and I separate and fluff to my liking. And this is the finished product. Let me get y'all a 360 spin. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, I just want you guys to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our page for more content like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.